The program today, the program Good Morning from Benin, they reach you from independent television. The matter when BC yesterday program, matter when BC concerned the National Sports Festival. It is not one to when BC yesterday bring make BCT unite all of us. But the way the thing on the waka they go, because and say the thing suffer 3 postponement. They postpone the thing 3 times, and the 4th time BC they do and reach road. They can hear different kind of things them. Because of this one, our waka go outside, we go bring the person when BC they in charge. The project manager for media and communications, when we say they are our friend and brother, Musa Bomiana. Hope I call that name well.
You are right.
So,
well, you are an Edoma and you know from the local government.
I don't call
then you go home and pay fine.
So, Oga Musa, welcome to our program.
Thank you, my brother.
The team when we say we're here, not pidgin English they speak, we not go school like
okay.
So, you know, the team when we say we're here before, we say the thing they come, first time, they come postponed because of COVID-19. Second time, it get postponed. Third time, it get postponed. The 4th time, it can't start. Everybody got the happy say we don't already start to say we they go. But after 4 or 5 days into the event, different song now we say we come to hear again. What is the meaning of that different song? What we come to hear today? No, the game they pass on Friday 12 o'clock and I be today. But now anything different don't happen.
Many things different don't happen.
Okay.
It don't happen because Mr. President, through his chief of staff and the vice president and the SGF, secretary to the government of the federation, Boss Mustafa, they don't intervene.
Okay.
They intervene, say, their intervention say, make the games continue, that they are going to support us like they promised before.
Okay. So if they promised them before, now I make nothing start before. Why not can't stop halfway?
That one, now Ministry of Youth and Sport Development, now in they play hide and seek with us. You know, say if it's like holding biscuit now, take the pikin want to take and pull them back, take and so they play with us hide and seek. Now we talk say enough of this hide and seek. Our vendors don't they prepare food for Camp Village here for near your this here for Uniben here and all the games villages. 3 days ago, they said they don't cook again, no money. They were protesting. We now say no.
Get money to do now because the same promise when I get before now I still get them because the promise they promise they never turn to money.
No, this one is like when your first son promised the last son say he go give biscuit tomorrow. Then the father of the house, you, the father of them all, as the head of the home, you say, okay, don't worry, the biscuit will come tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Won't you believe the home, the head of that family, who is the father?
Okay,
that's what it be so.
Don't get money to they cook all this food for the what do they call it?
Vendors.
For the vendors.
Yeah, and the caterers.
So this waste of man, I don't talk to money now when I come.
No, you see, you not talk to body. There's what they call promissory notes.
Okay.
By the time you take that one to the bank, you can start getting back. The bank will say, hey, federal government presidency, oh yeah, we will advance you some money. Go and continue with whatever you are doing. That is why we decided to reopen the MOC secretariat yesterday afternoon at 3 p.m. And we say the games can continue because promissory note from presidency is stronger than promissory note from anybody.
Okay, the way you don't talk before them because say money no day
before. Yes.
Now I make a one blessing
exactly.
All of this one.
Exactly.
But you and I know say man now what you basically get for grant. Now you basically they start any project when you get.
Yes.
When I talk and say when man see tree now for grant, I need to know whether we fit climb the tree
or not.
Climb
yes.
When I don't see this tree, so now fit climb or not. If not how they climb.
You see, let me tell you, about 5 states bidded to host. And then we won the hosting right in Abuja 2018. We know say we go climb am. That was why we bid there for it.
But no,
hold on.
Okay.
We climb am, go to Bobuja Stadium, just play go there and see what we have there. Go to other venues where the games are taking place now and see what we have there. Ask any of the athletes the equipment we have comparable to anywhere. In fact, they said the minister even talking. Say they are the best in sub-Saharan Africa. What we have on ground, facilities and equipment. No people talk about that. The minister. That was why in talk say Nigerian contingent when they go Olympics, this Olympics, they will come camp for Edo State here. No people talk because we knew we had what it takes to host the games. Now it make us bid and we won. As at March last year, 2 days when people supposed to come from all over the country, 5 days to when the game supposed to start. Did we say we're not ready to start the games? Did we ask for anything, any cover from anybody? No, did you come here to say we need money? We never did. We didn't tell anybody say we need money. But somebody, you dey do birthday tomorrow now. We invite all your friends. God forbid something bad happen. By today now you postpone the birthday party, no more party. Food, you know, cook food for people they come. You know, buy drinks keep. No money you go spend to do all that one. When you know say your birthday na tomorrow. So when we knew 2 days to commencement of opening of the Ganges village, are you saying we didn't pay vendors? Okay, are you saying we don't buy food?
Carry you go back.
The first one, second one, third one. Now we hold meeting with them, Ministry of Youth and Sport. This one when we dey postpone. So when we dey pay money to vendors, we dey buy food, we dey buy other things, and where will the money come from? Now they say make you don't worry. Oh boy, money they come. Normally you don't pay a state to host. You don't pay. People are mixing the two things up. Oh, now you bid to pay. Now you bid say you want to host games. Why are you asking for money now? It's those who don't know. Lack of knowledge of how the sports festival is run. You don't collect money to host. Nobody will give you dime. Now your money. We are asking for that based on the 3 postponements where we wasted money. The thing no hold. Exactly. We wasted money, no hold 3 times. That is why they did promise, say they will give us. They did promise. That is the truth. I
remember the last time when MBC come, because the first one is not COVID-19.
Yes.
The second one COVID-19. The last time when MBC come, the governor himself got the Noah Obasa. He come and say there's no money. He's not sure so he go feel host time and
yes.
So before that promise come, say they go do am and that kind of a thing. Say I go do am. So when the promise come now say okay, SBC promise don't come. Now come they do am the reach road. The promise reach roads now. Yeah. Now come to say they promise now promise us come now. So bigger promise they come now. So now the same question when we say I ask now. The guarantee now person don't the fear now. Because no one here say at the end of the day, Larry or Jan go tell me say in vendor when we say they cook, you know, see first when we say they don't give them money to buy rice and the rest.
Yeah.
And secondly too, even the school when we say they as the against village they stay, people just say I beg come out here and don't overstretch our equipment because what are supposed to give to us and not give to us.
Yes. You see what I told you before. You said now promise. How we sure say that promise will materialize? I just tell you something.
Because we don't see some outside all of this one.
Yes.
We don't see government at different levels. They made promises before when we say they fail. You understand? Both the federal, state, and local governments they fail. So that guarantee not be waiting at the theater now. I mean, they hit and for that place.
You know that as I speak to you now, nobody tell us say this is what they will give us XYZ. I'm giving you an example.
Okay.
Now just money they come, money they come, money they come. Now we they hear.
Okay.
But specifically,
a
figure.
So if they can't go spend 10 naira, they can't bring 1 naira for now, 2 naira for now.
No, now only foolish government because they promise you 2 naira. You can't go spend 3 naira.
They don't tell you figure now, so you don't know what they.
I say this is the first time they tell us say this is the figure. I said before now. Now wayo they play. Okay. No figure. Oh, money they come. We are on the paperwork. Paperwork for how long will it take to do paperwork? Okay. So that's why you say the Ministry of Youth and Sport they play hide and seek with us.
Okay.
For how long will you continue to deceive an adult? Now we say enough is enough. Okay. Ministry, they don't tell us so, and they know the figure. So they hide that. Which means they up to something. For president who is holidaying in London,
American grounds.
You know what that means?
Okay.
To send his chief of staff, Agbola Gambari, to come to Nigeria. For the vice president to call the governor. This is not the ministry own again now. They've taken it off the ministry.
Okay.
You know they're within the power of the ministry anymore. That's why I'm telling you there's a presidential what? Intervention. Okay. So leave ministry alone. Okay. Now they play wayo. This one no wayo inside.
Okay.
President when go call to talk to you, number one man in Nigeria, and you say we should not believe it? No.
I'm not talking about not believe
we have gone past that stage of deception from the ministry.
Okay, maybe we go back to the the event. True. I said those states doing
very well. Edo is number 3 now.
Okay.
You know, this is day 7 of the games.
Okay.
And then we still have about 6-7 days to go.
Because I remember saying yesterday, the deputy governor, when the chairman of the local organization, he hit his chest, say we are hosting to win. But by yesterday, when Delta State, they waka they go. They
no waka go anywhere. Okay. Swimming, cycling, they are the first event they first do. And we have so many gold medals attached to these 2 events.
Okay.
Now he make Delta na water.
Okay.
Say you want na water.
No.
So that they are topping the medal table now.
But no, we got River now.
We cannot compare water here with river. No. So you don't feel compare water when they get with water when we get. They wake up early in the morning and you buy baby, you burn in charge. Now water you go put them. Is it that tradition? Do we do that? Of course, no. So that's why they got most of their medals in swimming and in cycling. Okay. So there's still a long way to go. So many games, like I told you now. Female football match is going on now. Right now as I speak, at Uniben.
Okay.
The male football match is coming up by 10, where the deputy governor is going to lead the Edo team.
Okay.
So, taekwondo, if they come. Kickboxing, yesterday kickboxing, we won all the gold medals. So, what I'm telling you is that, and they have not announced yesterday, now they can't announce them. You know, they have to meet,
they have to
reconcile, collate. So, let them know to shout hallelujah here too, until when it is hallelujah.
But that matter, me say no be sprint, it's a marathon. It is still long.
That is it. If somebody told you that, you see, sprint, you rush fast, you burn your energy. But for marathon, now according to Mbadiwe, K1 Mbadiwe, or Brother's memory, he said that gradual by gradual.
Okay.
That's what we take out.
Okay, before I will let you come out now, what will be the message or NBC you get for
the message I want
Edo State people number 1,
okay,
and Edo State athletes for this competition. So now 2 messages I want to get.
Edo State people, the last time when we hold this festival, I don't know Bemudia, it may not come again in our lifetime because all other states who are bidding to host, they should just display that Edo hospitality, which everybody knows us. Be friendly to visitors. Because after this festival, as you will exchange number, you will make friends. Go ahead, make friends. They are into highly exciting moment for this period, for these 14 days. These games, we promise to give them the best. You see the opening ceremony. You have been watching National Sports Festival. Tell me, not be say because you are here or you are here. Tell me one when he don't beat Edo. Editors came from Lagos, sports editors. I was there. They had a meeting with a session with Deputy Governor. You know they are critics. Newspaper editors, so they don't praise anybody. They said we've raised the bar, that we set a standard. Any state that want to host a game cannot come anything below. They there for them. The high jump there for them. They were ready. Now they talk, not be me talking.
Okay, but might put you on the spot now before I let you come on in the next 5-10 seconds. Delta State they promise 1 million for every goal. Wait till they say won't give people
wait. We don't promise money.
No. I said Delta State.
I said we not go. We not
1 million for every gold medal.
We no go promise money. I will not promise money.
Okay.
What we do? Money you will chop. You will throw it you will throw it after 1 day. That money, that 1 million, you look at it so big now. It may not last more than a month. Some people want something that's more enduring. Something that you will live it for life. Now we will give them. No be 1 million.
We don't talk here now.
No. It's not the government that we announce his number. What it is that our guy is the overall government.
But you know if you say they know that go motivate them the more.
They don't tell them before. Deputy don't tell them over and over. Serious meetings don't tell them say go there, win the goal. You will never regret it. We make you for life.
Musa Ebomiana, thank you so much.
Thank you, my brother.
Manager for the National Media and Communication National Sports Festival, Edo Local Organizing Committee. We thank you so much when we say you show your face here. And all the questions they want to say when they ask them, they bother our minds. And say, yes, the thing is not going to end today as we said here before. The thing continue because the kind of word when we say they get now, word when we say if you take to the bank. Now, what them say you reach bank like you go turn to money.
Yes. Now so
we go take some break. When they come back, not go anywhere. Stay with us. Them on the program. Good morning from Benin. Go anywhere.